Now we can discuss the questions from the chapter Circles. Are you ready? What are the important questions from our textbook that will be discussed at first? Later we will go for competency based questions also. First we can select one MCQ question. We can read this question. Just listen. In figure PT, in the given figure, PT is a tangent to a circle with a center O and angle TPO is equal to 25 degree. Then the measure of X. Where is X in this figure? Yes, here it is X. We need to find this value. When we observe this figure, we have to understand one of the important theorem we studied in our lower class. This is the angle which is coming outside. What's the name of that angle? Exterior angle. The exterior angle is equal to sum of other two interior angles, opposite interior angles. Not this angle, other than this, two angles are there, which are known as opposite interior angles. That means this angle x will be equal to this angle t plus this 25. That is written here. The point what we studied in lower class, in a triangle, if we extend one side, outside one angle will come, which is known as exterior angle. That exterior angle will be equal to this opposite interior. These two angles sum of the opposite interior angles will be equal to the exterior angle. Now you can understand what's the value of angle t. We studied theorem number 1. This is the radius of the circle. This is the tangent. It will be perpendicular. So what's the value? 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is 25 degree. So what will be the sum? 90 plus 25? 115. So option D is the right answer. Now we can move to the next question. In this figure, angle AOB is 125 degree. We need to find angle COD. Just see this figure and try to understand the speciality of this question. In this figure, all the four sides are tangents to the circle, And the question, this COD, I will take this figure separately and observe. Angle COD, this we need to find, which is 50 degree. How did I get this 55 degree? In this type of figures, it is always equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. The opposite, these two angles will be 180 degree. So this is 125 means 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125, 55. So 55 is the right answer. The important thing here, four sides are tangents. Such cases, the middle angle, middle means central angle, this 125 degree. Then the opposite one will be 180 minus 125. It's okay? Now we can move to the third question. What is the third question? Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. When we read this question, we have to understand what is given in the question and what is to find. We need to prove that this is a rhombus. What is given? It is a parallelogram circumscribing on a circle. What is circumscribing on a circle? That means we are drawing the parallelogram on the circle. Here you can see this parallelogram is drawn on the circle. So we can select the properties of parallelogram. Parallelogram is only a word, so we have to recall the properties, what is behind it. The main property, opposite sides are parallel and equal. These opposite sides are parallel and equal. So we can select two opposite sides. One is AB, one is CD. Then we can try to add these two. What is AB plus CD? AB plus CD. In between this AB, one point of contact is there. What is point of contact? The tangent touches the circle. This point we can mark it as P. Similarly, here it is Q, R, S. So this AB, in between AB, one point P is there. That means AB we can split as AP plus PB. So instead of this AB, we can write AP plus PB. Is it clear? Yes. Now CD is there. CD is the another opposite side. There are also two parts are there, CR and DR. So instead of this CD, we can split it as CR plus DR. That means both opposite sides we split it into parts. Now you observe second theorem. What is the second theorem in circles? You can see that here AP is there. A is the external point. What is the external point? The point which stands outside the circle. Here is the circle. The point A is standing outside. From this external point, if we draw the tangent AP, that will be equal to AS. Because theorem 2 says that from an external point the tangents are equal. Both the tangents will be equal in length. So instead of this AP, we can write AS. So I am going to replace this AP into AS. Similarly, PB into BQ. Why? PB means it starts from external point B. BQ also starts from external point B. So both the tangents will be equal. So instead of PB, I am writing BQ. Are you getting? Yes. Now CR is there. CR. C is the external point, then CQ will be equal. So instead of CR, we can write CQ. Similarly, DR. Now you can say, instead of DR, what will come? Yes, DS will come. So instead of DR, we given here DS. Now just observe, what is AS? AS means this one. Another one term is there with the S, DS. DS is this. When we join this AS and DS, we will get to the length AD. So we can write this AS and DS together. AS and DS we written together. The remaining BQ and CQ also together. So what is the sum of AS plus DS? AS plus DS we got AD. So instead of this AS plus DS we can write AD. Similarly BQ plus CQ. BQ is this, CQ is this. So BQ plus CQ means BC. So instead of BQ plus CQ we can write BC. So what we got? We got this opposite side AB and CD we added. When we add this AB and CD, the last answer came it as AD plus BC. So that is the final answer we got. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, which means opposite sides are equal. That means this AB and CD are equal in length. So instead of this CD, we can write AB because both are same. AB and CD are opposite sides of the parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. Here it is AD and BC. Here AD is this one, BC is this one. Both are opposite sides of the parallelogram. So instead of this BC, we can write AD. Only one we have to change. Why? Then only we will get both terms same. So same terms are there means we can add it. AB plus AB. What is AB plus AB? 2AB. AD plus AD. 2AD. Now this 2 is multiplying here. Here also multiplying. So it can be cancelled. To transpose to here it will be dividing. So AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. AB is this one. In the figure AB is this one. AD is this one. Which are two adjacent sides. So we can write AB is equal to AD we got. Already we know AB and CD are equal. Opposite sides. AB and CD are already equal. Now we got AB is equal to AD. So AB is equal to AD. So AB, CD, AD are equal now. And CD's opposite side is there. This is AD and its opposite side BC is there. AD and BC are opposite sides. They are equal because opposite sides of the parallelogram. Now what we got? All sides are equal. All sides are equal in a quadrilateral. That quadrilateral is known as rhombus. So we reached in the answer. Is it clear? So ABCD is a rhombus. Now we can move to the next question. We can observe what is the question. Yes. Here the question given. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with a center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is equal to 2 into angle OPQ. To get clarity in this question, we have to draw the figure based on this question. This question is based on a tangent and circle. Not a tangent, two tangents are there. Which are the tangents? TP and TQ. Both starts from letter T. And T is an external point. It is given in the question. And center of the circle is O. So we can draw the circle and external point T. Then we can mark the tangents. So TP, TQ are the tangents from the external point T, and O is the center of the circle. Now the question, what is angle PTQ? This is angle PTQ. This will be 2 times of, that means 2 into angle OPQ. There is a small angle OPQ. This smaller angles double will be the angle PTQ. That is the question. We need to prove that. So what can we do? It's very easy. There are different methods. One of the methods will be explained now. So listen. Already we studied. This is the angle inclined by the tangents. This is the angle inclined by the tangents. That means tangents made this angle. And its opposite central angle. Radius, 2 radii are there. These radii are made an angle here. These two angles sum will be 180 degree. What are the angles? Angle PTQ. TP is the tangent, TQ is the tangent. Both the tangents inclined. Inclined means they made that angle. This and the angle at the center from the point of contacts. These are the point of contacts. From there we drawn these radii, this angle. These two angles sum will be 180 degree. That is very important. Just note it in your mind. So that I am going to write here. Before that I am giving the name to this angle T as X. Then angle PTQ is X. So this PTQ and this we add, we get 180 degree. That is equation number 1. Now we can move to the smaller triangle. There is a smaller triangle OPQ. What is the sum of angles in a triangle? 180 degree. So we can add these all angles. Angle POQ. What is POQ? POQ. This bigger angle. What is OPQ? OPQ means OPQ. This angle. What is OQP? OQP. This angle. These three angles are adding. What will be the angle sum property of the triangle? 180 degree. So this will be equal to 180 degree. This is clear? Yes. Now here we go to 180 degree. Here also we go to 180 degree. And the important thing, this is radius. So it's an isosceles triangle. In isosceles, why it is isosceles? Two sides are equal. Both are radius. In a circle, all the radius will be same. So this OP and OQ are in equal length. So these two angles also equal. So what's the angle here? OPQ. What is the angle here? OQP. Both are equal means instead of this OQP, we can write OPQ because that is required to prove in the question. That's why. Otherwise, we will change the second one, first one, if it is required to prove. Now listen, very easy. Just watch it again if any doubt. Now we got this sum 180 degree. In previous equation also we got 180 degree. What is in this left side? Its answer is 180 degree. What is here in the left side? Its answer is also 180 degree. So these left sides are equal. So I am going to write here. This left side angle PTQ is written here. And this answer is written on the right side. Only the difference, this is angle OPQ, this is also angle OQQ. 2 times when we add angle OPQ, what will be 2 into angle OPQ? Same numbers are adding means we can multiply with 2. OPQ plus OPQ, 2 angle OPQ. What we did, we selected the left sides of the both equations because both answers are 180 degree. Is it clear? Now you look, here POQ. Left side, here also POQ, both are same, so we can cancel. Why? When we transpose here, it will be subtracting. POQ minus POQ 0. Both sides it is adding. Is it clear? Yes. Now, what is the balance? Angle PTQ is there and right side 2 into angle OPQ. That is our answer. We need to prove that. So we reached in the answer. It's a video, so I am not going to repeat the same things. If you require more explanation, watch it again. Now we can go to the next question. Yes, it's an interesting question. It's an important question. We can expect this question for 4 marks. So the question is that in the given figure, triangle ABC is given. This ABC is circumscribing on the circle. Circumscribing means the circle is inside that triangle. Now, the measurements are given here. OD is the radius and BC is the tangent. The portions of the tangents is BD and CD are given 6, 9. Now the question, find the other sides AB and AC. This length and this length. First of all, we can take this figure once again and we can discuss more. In this figure, actually we know this BD. All of you listen to this figure. BD is starting from the external point B. From the same external point, another tangent we can mark it as BF. From an external point, the tangents are equal. So here 6 centimeter means here also the portion is BF is 6 centimeter. Is it clear? Now you can say what is CE? CE is equal to 9. Why? Because C is an external point. From the same external point, one tangent is there CD, which is 9 centimeter. So from an external point, all the tangents will be equal. So if it is 9, then this also 9. To find this AB, now we require only this small portion AF. We can give name to this AF as X. AF is also a tangent from the external point A. Same external point, one more tangent is the AE, so its length also X. Is it clear? Yes. So if we know the value of X, by adding to 9 we will get AC. If we know the value of X from this, we can add with the 6, we will get AB. So how to find X? To find the value of X, we need to make any connection. For that, in the question, it is given that area of triangle ABC is 54 centimeter square. 54 centimeter square. How to find the area of triangle? It is already given. But we have to connect this 3 centimeter also. So I just join with this blue color lines. You can see that triangle OBC is there. It is a part of the biggest triangle. Another one triangle is the triangle AOC. Another one triangle is the triangle AOB. These 3 smaller triangles are adding the areas of these smaller triangles. When we add, we get the area of the bigger triangle ABC. So what I said? Area of triangle BOC. What is BOC? This is triangle BOC. What is AOC? This is triangle AOC. What is AOB? This is triangle AOB. These 3 smaller triangles area sum will be equal to the area of the bigger triangle. Just to get a connection with the smaller bigger, we made this equation. It is already given in the question, area of bigger triangle is 54. So instead of this area of triangle ABC, we can write 54. 54. What is the area of triangle BOC? How to find area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. BOC. Triangle BOC is here. What is the base? Base is BC, height is OD. So we get the answer BC into OD. Similarly, area of triangle AOC. This is the triangle AOC. In this triangle, AC is the base. Just consider AC is the base. Then this is the radius to the point of contact. This will be 90 degrees, so it will be height. It is also the radius of the circle. It is already given 3. So that we can write half of the base. What is the base? AC. What is the height of that triangle? Which triangle? AOC. What is the base? AC. Similarly, the third triangle. What's the name of third triangle? Triangle AOB. What will be the base? Base is AB. What will be the height? OF. So half into AB into OF. So by adding these odd areas, we will get 54. That is the total area of the bigger triangle. Now we can observe this all radii are given 3 centimeters. So instead of this OD, we can give 3. OE is this one, radius, that is 3. OF is the radius to the point of contact. Radius of the circle is already given 3. So instead of this OF, we can write 3. Now 3 is common in these three terms. So it can be taken outside. As we taken this half outside, half is common in each term. So we got half into 3 as common. Now BC. BC means already we can understand BD plus CD. What is BD? 6. What is CD? 9. So 6 plus 9, that is 15. So instead of this BC, we can give 15. Is it clear? Yes. Now AC. What is AC? AC means this X is coming and 9 is coming. So total is X plus 9. What is AB? AB is this length. There X is there, 6 is there. So X plus 6 is the value of AB. So instead of this BC, AC, AB, we can give these values 15, X plus 9 and X plus 6. Now we can do one thing. This 2 is dividing here. So if you transpose to right side, it will go to the multiplication. Similarly, this 3 is multiplying here. If you transpose to the division, that means denominator 3. The remaining terms are there. 15 and 9 plus 6 is there. What is 9 plus 6? That is also 15. X plus X, 2X. So we got a 15 plus 2X plus 15. What is 15 plus 15? 30. So we got 30 plus 2x is equal to, here 3 one time, in 5 also one time, balance 2, 2 and 4, 24, it is 18 times, 8 times. 8 3s are 24. So 18 is the answer after cancelling with the 3. 54 and 3 we cancel. 54 divided by 3, 18. What is 2 into 18? 2 into 18 means 18 is double. That means 36. So we got 36 on the right side. Now this 30 we can transpose to right side. 36 minus 30. What is 30? Goes to right side. It will be 36 minus 30. What is 36 minus 30? 6. Here 2x is 6. So 1x is 3. Because here 2 is there. If you transpose here, divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. So x is equal to 3. If we know x is equal to 3, what is AC? 3 plus 9. What is AB? 3 plus 6. So we got the answer. AB is equal to 3 plus 6 because we got x is equal to 3. The value of x we got. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Similarly AC 3 plus 9, 12. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So we got the length of the sides. Now we can move to the another question. Are you ready? Are you tired? Last question. In the given figure, so there is a figure which is given. In this figure, it is already mentioned AB, BC, CA are touching the circle, which means this AB, BC, AC are tangents. Then it is given AB, BC, CA are 12, 8, 10. AB is 12 centimeter length, BC is 8 and AC is 10. AC means CA. So these values we can mark it. Now the question, find the parts, which means AD. What is AD? This is AD. Then BE, then CF. These portions values need to be found. So we can do one idea. We can give name to these parts. This A is an external point. So the length of AD we can mark it as small letter A. Then what will be this AF? That is also small letter A because both are tangents from an external point. Theorem 2 says that from an external point tangents are equal. Similarly, this B is an external point. The tangent BD is letter B, then B is B. Similarly, CE we can denote with C. Here CF also C because both are tangents from an external point. From an external point, whenever you draw the tangent, both tangents length will be equal. So we go to these letters AB, BC, AC. Now we can make the equation. We can add these all sides values. What are the sides here? AB, BC, AC. AB, BC, AC. These all sides are adding means each side's length is given 12, 8, 10. That will be equal to 12 plus 8 plus 10. What is 12 plus 8 plus 10? That is 30. Now just observe. What is our AB? AB means this small letter A and B is adding. Similarly, BC means small letter B and C is adding. Similarly, last AC means This C and A is adding. That means A plus C. You can observe here A comes 2 times. B also 2 times. C also 2 times. That means each one comes 2 times. 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 30. In each term 2 is common, that can be taken outside. So what is the answer? 2 into A plus B plus C is equal to 30. This 2 transposed to right side, it will be dividing. So 30 divided by 2 we get 15. So A plus B plus C is equal to 15. Now we can find out each and every parts. It's very easy. Already we know A plus B is 12. So instead of this A plus B, we can give 12. So 12 plus C is equal to 15. This 12 transposed to right side subtraction. 15 minus 12. What is 15 minus 12? That is 3. So we got the answer 3. Now, once again we can write A plus B plus C is equal to 15. Now we can find next side B plus C. What is B plus C? That is given that 8. So instead of this B plus C, we can give 8. So A plus 8 is equal to 15. Tell me, this 8 transposed to right side. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8, 7. So we got A is equal to 7. Similarly, last one, A and C is there. So A and C we can write together. It will be A plus C. A plus C means that is 10. So instead of this A plus C, we are giving 10. Then B alone there. So this 10 transposed to there, it will be 15 minus 10. That is equal to 5. There are some other methods also. Here it is easy for you. That's why I explained with this method. So we got a small letters A, B, C. Now from the figure we can understand. The question what they asked AD. AD means this is small letter A. Then we got 7. So 7 is AD. Similarly next one it is B. B is small letter B. Then we got 5. So second letter BE is equal to 5. And third parts CF. CF means letter C. Letter C is 3. So we got each and every parts what they asked. Now we completed 7 questions which are selected from the chapter circles, which are very important questions. After practicing this question, we have to practice more competency based question also. Then I am sure that you will get good score from this chapter. Thank you.